Alright, we need to look for 4 clues that show exponential. If you have your foldable, that gives you a lot of clues, right? We should be looking for common ratios in our table of values. How do I know that? You're multiplying. I should see a number here and then a letter up there. That might be helpful. Smooth curves. So let's look for those. Does anyone have a letter for exponential? Yeah.
Like just one letter?
Yeah, one letter.
R.
Why did you pick R?
Just because it curves. Like the line curves on the graph.
Yep. You'll notice, though, guys, that this does not, these two are not related, right? This one has like a smiley face, either up or down, and this is only half of it. Does that make sense? R is correct. Lana, do you have another one? No? Lomi? Q? Let's take a look at Q. Lomi, why did you pick Q? We're multiplying by 2. I'm going to check over here because sometimes they do skip, so make sure you're counting by ones. If you're missing a number, you can just fill in the number. But she said multiply by 2. This is called our common ratio. That is correct. Good job, Lomi. Benito? Okay, let's take a look at G. Let me show you guys how these are connected. Benito, if I put in x equals 0 here, what's 2 times 0? It's not 1, is it? N? Let's take a look at N. This one? Why not this one? What would be 0? So, good question. If I put in 0 here, 2 to the 0 power. So 2 to the 0 power, anything to the 0 power is 1. Let's try a different number. Benito, if I say 2, what's 2 to the 2 power? 4, that works, right? How about 3? This is not 2 times 3. What's 2 to the 3rd power? Which is? 8. Does that match? Yeah, so that one does work. Good job, Benito. Francis? D? V. So let's put a V. Okay. Now, one hint is notice that these do not have the powers of 2 most of the time. And again, these are numbers, not letters. And you have a letter up here. So I have a number up there, and I'm looking for a letter. So V would not match. I will give you, I'll give the class a hint. It's a word problem. Yeah. U. Let's look at U. Erica's worried that her secret got out on the first day. She and her best friend were the only ones that knew. But each day, 2 new people hear about the secret. Okay? So here, I said it was adding 2 more people. Okay? Let's take a look. Okay. Louise heard a rumor. She tells the rumor to 2 people the next day, and those 2 people, the 2 people that she told, then tell 2 more. So here's Louise, and then she tells whoever else it is, right? Day 1, day 2, and then the 3rd day, each of those tell 2 more people, so you have a total of 4. Oh, look at that. Day 1 matches your X value. And the number of people represents the y values. 2. 2. No, wait. This is day 0. That'd probably work better. Day 1, day 2. On the first day, she knows the secret, but she doesn't tell anyone. Day 1, she tells 2 people. And then the second day, those 2 people tell 2 more people. So that would be a total of 4. So, that is correct. Let's write that down. So those are our answers. R, N, Q, and K. These 4 are an example of exponential.